Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And in particular, if you find this video useful or helpful, be sure to hit that like button before you go. Maybe even leave a comment that simply says thanks. Really helps the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available online, and I've included a link in the description below that'll take you directly to the product page where you can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? So today's product I want to share with you is absolutely perfect travel bag or travel suitcase, if you will. If you're looking to travel for about 3 to 5 days, it's a nice little backpack, very, very easy and smartly designed. So this was sent over by a company called Tolaccea, and this is their U06 model. It has everything you need. Like I said, if you are traveling for 3 to 5 days, this is going to have you fully covered. Really, really well thought out. So this is what it looks like right off the bat. So it packs nice and flat when you're putting it in storage, when you're not utilizing it. So it's not going to take nearly as much room as a full-blown suitcase, which is absolutely great. Now, as far as the overall size of this backpack, it is going to be essentially about 5 inches in depth, about 12.5 inches wide, and about 21.5 inches tall. Now that depth's going to depend really on how full you have it. This thing can hold a maximum of 40 liters of storage, and it opens completely 180 degrees, which I absolutely love because it makes it easy to access everything. So first, let's go over the whole outside of the backpack. So first off, on the backside, you do have little straps, obviously, with nice little reflectors. So if you are traveling at night, you can easily be seen. It even has a safety whistle built into it in case you're out and about. You got little kind of strap hooks so you can put sunglasses, all that fun stuff. It's got a reinforced cushioned back with a breathable material. It also has a little strap in the middle so you can put this on a horizontal position over your suitcase. So if you are bringing luggage and you have the backpack as well, you can go ahead and have this as a hands-free situation. If you want to carry it on its side, it does have 2 handles as well, so it's easy to carry as well on the side. It also has a handle on the top, so fully flexible. Now, if you're going through airport, this is designed to fit in the overhead compartment, so do keep that in mind, which is really nice. It does have a nice large pocket here on the side with a pull cord to make it nice and tight. This is a great little pouch for a water bottle, whether you're buying a water bottle in the airport or you bought one and you filled it up, easily fit in here. Fits a nice size bottle. Now on the back, there is a hidden little kind of compartment. You can simply unbuckle that, and then you're gonna notice in here, there's a little pouches. There's a little kind of section where you can put your keys. It's a great place to put your phone, hide your wallet, passport, all that kind of stuff in there as well, because it's very hard to see that pouch, especially when it's on your back. Now there is also an additional hidden pouch kind of here on the top part. It's a little bit more obvious, but it's also a nice flat pouch. Once again, I like to put quick things here. So like snacks, my phone actually I put in here because I grab that more often. A lot of easy stuff, quick access point on the top. Especially when it's kind of sitting down while you're waiting for your flight and whatnot. Now, also hidden here on the back side, or I should say the little top front part, is a nice little pouch for your sunglasses. And the reason this is a great pouch for your sunglasses is it's got a nice little kind of soft vinyl interior part, which just makes it, protection. So when anything you put in here, it's not going to get scratched as easy. So once again, great spot to put your sunglasses when you're traveling, just right here on the top part. And then on the front, you're going to notice it's going to have a big first little compartment here. This is a 7-liter wet dry compartment. So this is absolutely great if you go on, let's say you're going to the beach and you had kind of damp swimsuits, or you went to the gym and you got sweaty clothes. Throw this in here. It's got a nice little kind of aluminum zinc alloy type inside part, which is going to keep it from holding in those odors and keep your rest of your clothes smelling nice and fresh. So this is a nice size compartment, can hold kind of a whole set of clothes, particularly like swimsuits and things like that. Now, as far as the main compartment, so there is a little zipper here on the top part, which is where you can go ahead and open it up and access anything quickly that you need. But And so if you need to grab anything right out of the top, let's say your laptop bag or anything, you can put that position right there on the top. There is a slot here that can hold a laptop up to 16 inches, so it's very easy to grab from the top. However, this compartment can also be accessed through the main zipper, and that's what I was talking about. It's going to be able to fully open 180 degrees, which I absolutely love that aspect of it. So when you fully open it up, it's very, very easy to access everything, to go through and utilize everything, which just shows how thoughtful they are. So in the main compartment here, it expands nice and deep. You got your laptop sitting right in the bottom, and then you're gonna put all your clothes above it. And then you're gonna have 3 little mesh pouches for all your toiletries and like that, easy to access. Now, not only with the backpack, you're also gonna get 3 little bags here, which are basically what you can fill up with your clothes. So you can roll up your shirts, your pants, your underwear, socks, all that, and put them in the 3 various pouches. And then you can go ahead and put them in the bag. So it makes it, once again, very easy to grab, because you can basically sort them out by a couple days worth of clothes. So like, you know, 2 days, and then this one can be your toiletries, because you'll notice it has a bunch more mesh bags in here, or you can fill it up with like your underwear and all that stuff, so everything's nice and separated. There's also a nice little pouch on the back side, so very, very flexible when it comes to all the well thought out devices. If you don't want to bring these, you don't have to do that either. It's up to you as far as setting it up. But I like the separate little pouches because it keeps you a little bit more organized, or if you're traveling with somebody else, you can put their clothes in one and yours in another, and so it makes it easy to grab and pull out for when you are on the go. But overall, like I said, if you're looking for a really nice backpack that is absolutely great for travel, that has it all, doesn't take up a lot of space, this one is totally worth checking out. If there's something I haven't quite covered that you're a little curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond to those. That is it till next video. You guys, take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.